Hello and welcome back to my studio. In this video I'm going to show you a few plein air painting easel options, focusing on the pochade box, and I'm going to show you how you can make one very cheaply and simply as well. Let's have a look. In one of my recent videos you saw me painting outdoors, a little scene with a yacht in it. And in that video I was using a French easel, full-size French easel, and some of you commented on whether this is a convenient way to paint outdoors. Well, a French easel is a traditional piece of equipment. It certainly does the job, but it is big, it's heavy, takes up a lot of space, and frankly a bit of a schlep to lug around if you've got a long way to go. So there are much easier options to use, and the pochade box is one of those. Now you can work with a pochade box on a table, you could sit with it on your lap even, but you will probably find ones that you can simply screw into a camera tripod. Now there are a couple of options. Here is one that I have. It is made by Gorilla Painter, and it's a kind of a full-size pochade box. Can take a few different size panels and quite a bit of space in there to mix your paint as well. It's got a handle on it. It's relatively light and portable, but still a bit big. Now when I paint outdoors I'm usually painting with two sizes of panels, a 10 by 12 or a 9 by 16. Nothing bigger than that, and I like to get my painting done pretty quickly. So a small pochade box on a tripod is ideal. Now what I've got here is a regular paint box. You've probably seen these, they're quite common in supermarkets even, and in art shops. Now what I've done is I've unscrewed the hinges, and we've got the lid and the body of the box free. Now I've taken a similar one to this and turned it into a really very handy painting setup for outdoor painting, and now you're going to see how you can put this together or get somebody to do it for you. Right, let's have a look at how I put this together and what it looks like when it's fitted onto your tripod. First, remove all the fixtures from the painting box except for the handle, and then cut 4 lengths of wood, 2 of them 6 centimeters long and another 2 8 centimeters long. Attach them to the rear of the box so they look like this. And this is going to be the pallet and will drop into the tripod legs. Now with the lid we're going to turn that into the panel support. I'm using the hinges as a swivel support bracket and improvised clip at the top. Now you need one of these tripod base plates to screw into the back of the lid. You can get these from Gorilla Painter and on Amazon. There's a link in the description. Right, so when it's done it'll look like this. I've got a field tripod and just drop that in and it will hold like that. And now the lid. I'll take the little attachment off the tripod, screw that in nice and tight. And fix that onto the tripod. Adjust it to the angle and height you prefer. Make sure it's nice and tight so the panel carrier is really sturdy. You don't want it moving around. Look, that's just perfect. And the 10 by 12 panel fits right inside the lid. And a 9 by 16, I just turn out those improvised hinges, drop the panel into the groove in the hinge, and swivel the clip at the top, and it's nice and secure. You can see that groove in the hinges, perfect for holding the panel, and secured at the top. Quite easy and a quick project. So there you have it, an inexpensive way to put together a great plein air painting setup. Well, I hope this inspires you to put your plein air painting kit together and explore the outdoors. Take a break, do some painting, and just enjoy it. Enjoy the experience and learn from it as well. If you simply want to buy a plein air painting kit, you can find some in the description below, and they'll do a lot of good for you as well. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. You don't want to miss the next video coming up soon. And check out your free painting course for you up here. There's lots for you to discover in my painting school as well. I hope you enjoy it. And until next time, happy painting and cheers for now.